spare part from Holy Stone HS440. Let's open it up, show you what the actual arm looks like. You have a black and white wire. All the arms going to be just about the same. And what we're going to do is take off the original arm, put the spare one on. They're already pre-cut, so we can either solder it to the main board or we can solder it to the existing wires that we cut. The drone arm can be glued with Gorilla Clear, Gorilla White, Gorilla Brown, depending on the strength you use. This arm works 100% now, but we are going to replace it to look like its original's content, like so. If you do get a new arm, you have to specify which arm broke, because the fronts, they have a design, the rears do not. Turn your drone upside down. The worst thing you can do is put pressure on the screws. As you can see, these arms all will flex. I'm taking a case cover. I place my drone on top, so when I push down, it's only flexing on the main body. There are 6 screws in the center, and there are 4 screws on the outer, and there are 2 screws in the back over here on the back outside. This is a micro, this is a medium, this is a large screw. I start to take any of the screws off, and I'll keep taking the center ones out first. If I have difficulty removing the screws, I take a magnetizer. I magnetize and I try to lift the screws out, like so. I then will turn the craft over and get the rest of the screws out by giving a couple little taps. It may be hard to see the screws, so grab a light. And these 2 screws didn't come out, and I'll try again. Do not worry if a screw doesn't come out, just proceed to the next one. The 2 micro screws are last. Do your best to get them out. With the flat edge, you may need to just lift up a little, and that one stubborn one will come out eventually. You're going to now just open up the body. You're going to give it a little hold over here. And voila. This is the stubborn one. You could take the screwdriver, push it out, put it to the right area. Your existing repair, take your tape off. Notice my lead fell right off. Pull the arm, take it off. Do not forget to save these. Put everything to the side. Take the bottom piece off. Put the bottom piece on, the exact way it came off, and back on. Take note how the black goes this way and the white goes this way, and they have to be crisscrossed. While the older motor, the white is over here correctly and the black is over correctly. That shouldn't make a big difference. I need to clean up my lead. I'm twisting the very first clips together, the leads, white for white. The very first leads, they're twisted together and they're held in by a clip. The very first leads, they're twisted together, and we're taking a soldering iron. See if we did a good job, that they're held on together securely. and taping it up 100%. Do our best to repeat for the black by getting the leads together, twisting them, the tin to tin. Allow it to cool down, takes a couple of seconds. Give a good tug. Don't forget to shut your iron off and take off the last rubber insert. And when you close things up, make sure they are tucked away, all the wires and everything. And there you go. You're all done. Successfully fixed a proper arm. You need to take this off and put it on. It's not that hard to do. While I have it right now, I might as well take off the propeller. It's very simple to do. And it's very simple to transfer the propeller like so. So now I take this arm, even though it's still broken but still good, I put it away and I have it as a spare that can go on to any of the arms. Finish watching the video of me putting in the 2 micros, the 4 large, and the 6 mediums. Here we go. When you know you're good, and everything is all up and running the correct way, you plug everything in, and you want to give a test run. The unit turns on, and this was the bad blade. So what we're going to do is turn the unit on, step away, go up and down, and we're going to calibrate. I got the calibration going. I'm going to give a start, fingers on the kill switch. And we're working 100%. No need to go any further. We'll shut the aircraft off, and we're going to go for a test flight outside.
You have a camera, right?
Yeah.
How far can it go?
300 feet.